Hello everybody and welcome to another episode. In today's episode I'm going to show you how to remove the exterior door handle on any BMW 5 Series E60 from the year 2005 and up. Today I'm working on this car and I'll have to remove the door handles in order for me to polish them completely inside and outside. In my opinion, this is a very fast and easy job to do. Anyone can do it, and I already removed and replaced the other door handle from the other side, from the driver's side and also from the rear side on the driver's side, and they are exactly the same on each side, so you don't have to worry about anything being different. So what you have to do first is to open the door. You'll have to check for these two rubber pieces. The top rubber piece is for the door handle itself, which you use to open the door, and the bottom one is for the little plastic of the door handle from the corner. And in my case, we are going to remove the door handle itself, which you use to open the door. And what you have to do first is to remove this little rubber piece. You'll have to use something sharp to remove it, and after that there will be a little hole, and inside that hole you'll have to check for one screw. The size of the screw is T20 or T25 maximum, and you'll have to remove the little screw while you are pulling from the door handle. So as you can see, if I'm pulling the door handle, just look inside the hole. Right there something is moving, and after you pull the door handle, it will release the little screw on which you'll have to remove. So just follow what I'm doing. I'm not sure if you can see very closely inside it, but right there is the little screw which you'll have to remove on the door handle. You don't have to remove it completely, you will only have to disconnect it. You'll have to undo it until the door handle will come out from its place. So as also, I had to pull a little bit the door handle until it will release and until it will make me space to reach for the bolt which is securing it mounted to the door. And as you can see, with one hand I'm pulling the door handle, and with the other hand I'm just removing the little screw. And as you can see, the door handle came out from its place. The screw was undid just enough, and the door handle was released from the door. And as you can see, this is all I have to do. And like I said earlier, if you also want to remove this little part of the door handle, you'll have to remove this little screw from the bottom side, and eventually this part will come out from the door. But if you want to do this, I recommend all to not remove the screw completely, because in some cases the screw may fall inside the door and you won't be able to remove it. So to install the door handle back into the door, I recommend all to put it back into the position, and with one hand you'll have to push it mounted in the door, and with the other hand you'll have to tighten the screw. And when you will almost reach the screw maximum tightness, you'll have to pull it just a little bit to create room for the little tool to fit over the little screw, and after that, that's it. So right now, as you can see, the door handle is mounted back on the door, it's working perfectly, and I'm going to remove it one more time, and I'm going to install it back one more time, just to make sure, guys, that you understand and that you know how to do it on your car. Right now, I'm done with installing it back on the car. This is how to remove and install the door handle from any BMW 5 Series E60 from the year 2005 and up. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video and found it informative, please leave a like and comment down below. See you next time.